Hello everyone, thank you for coming by my channel. I will show you if you have a tan leather colored car seats like me. I'm gonna show you a solution in this video of what to do about it and try to make it look better. Yes, I'm talking about car seat covers, but not any car seat cover. This is a deal. Nobody can beat that deal that I'm about to show you, and I will show you the results I will get after installation. Here we have our leather cover. It's a PU luxury leather cover. So believe it or not, I got me this set of bottoms for $30 on Amazon. So I will leave the link if you like what I do right here. So tell me so you can follow the link and buy the product. To be honest with you, I was expecting less for the price I pay, but this is great compared to what I was expecting. So this is the bottom portion. So we're gonna install the bottom portion. So as you can see, you can go underneath, you put it on the top. This strap right here catches with the other two right there, and it goes from side to side. So let's do it. This is the closest one to the color. It will be a little bit offset, but there is no problem. It's almost the same. And the way this works is easy. This strap, like a seat belt, is snapped together and holds together these two straps. The other two front straps are for the front, and the other two straps on the back are for the back. Yeah, what a genius, right? So let me show you. What I'm doing right now is pushing the back clip straps to the back in between the back part and the bottom part. There is a gap where you can pass them through to the back of the seat, and then I'm gonna push the rest of this. Okay, this is the final result. I hope you like it. You see how it was destroyed. Now it looks like new, and it looks at the bottom. So I'll explain what I did. It was not easy, so you better listen. Let me show you. There is a little compartment here, and I open it, and as you can see, I pass those through this gap, and inside there is another gap, so they stay there. So both of them holding the front right there, so they are holding the front of this cover. And then once we install those, we close this back, and then we attach that one underneath here. So you will see this right here. So this one, the one that goes on the side. So I put it here, I attach it together, and I extend it and make it run through the middle. Okay, so same thing in the other side. So pretty much that's the front. So this one has like a little bag right here. You put your hand in this bag and push as much as you can. You make sure it goes underneath here. You need lines and everything. So push as much as you can to the back. So, and in the back. And in the back, you pull those hanger lines and then push them and hold in there. There is a little hole right there. I'll show you. I'll make a close up. So I attach it there. So that's the bracket, so it's fine. It will move with the seat. So same thing on the other side. So as you can see, so everything working fine. The final result. I hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe, and I will be keep posting more about this. And of course, you thought this was it. No, I was not gonna leave you like that. I will explain a little bit slower in this time, and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step of the best I can. This one is pretty much beat up. You have some rips right there. It's kind of ripped. So we're gonna make it too, okay? So rip is no excuses to not have this car beautiful. So that's the other one I did. So I'm gonna do this one, and this one is gonna go easier. You'll see. I will leave it in real time, okay? So I'm gonna do it right now.
Basically, in this part is just push these hangers and then push through the seat gaps. Push and pull, push and align is what it is, how to work it. Extend it as much as you can, and then you will have it, fix it as much as you can. So you have to push a lot from this part you see right now, and then you will be able to fix it. As you can see right now, I'm finished. I was able to hang it on these little holes on the back, and this is the final result for the job. I hope you liked the video. I will leave a link on the description. Thank you for watching until now. If you believe this was a useful content, I want to encourage you to please give it a like and subscribe, share it with someone who has the same problem. Throw me a comment if you have any question. Thanks again.